In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter trades on MetaTrader 5. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to go from simply looking at a price chart to actually placing a trade in the platform with confidence. Let's start from the main MetaTrader 5 window. On the left side of your screen, you should see a panel called Market Watch. This is where all the available trading instruments are listed, such as currency pairs, indices, commodities, or other assets your broker provides. If you don't see the Market Watch window, go to the View menu at the top and enable it so that it appears. In Market Watch, look through the list and find the instrument you want to trade. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the correct symbol, because many brokers offer multiple variations of the same asset with slightly different names or contract sizes. You can sort the list or right-click to show or hide certain symbols if needed. Once you've located the right instrument, you're ready to move to the order screen. To do that, right-click on the instrument in the Market Watch window and select New Order, or simply click the New Order button on the toolbar if it's available. This opens the Order dialog box, which is where you set up all the details of your trade before sending it to the market. In the Order window, confirm that the symbol shown at the top matches the instrument you selected in Market Watch. This is a good double check to avoid placing a trade on the wrong asset. Next, look at the volume field. This is where you choose your position size. Make sure the volume you enter aligns with your risk management plan and your account size. Below that, you'll see fields for stop loss and take profit. While they are technically optional, it's a good habit to set them when opening a trade, so you have predefined levels where you're willing to exit, both for limiting losses and securing profits. Once everything looks correct, decide whether you want to buy or sell based on your analysis and click the appropriate button. MetaTrader 5 will process the order, and you should see a confirmation that the trade has been placed. That's all there is to entering a trade on MetaTrader 5. Choose your instrument in Market Watch, click New Order, configure your trade, and execute it. With a bit of practice, this